me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified anytime I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow, come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and literally everything is very, very personal, so feel free to follow me there. I am so excited. I am in my new apartment. The light is so beautiful here. Let me know if you want an apartment tour in the comments. Also, I just want to say thank you to anyone who's still been watching me over the past few years. It means everything in the world. Please say hi to me in the comments. Love you guys. Love you guys so much. And today I'm so excited because we have another iPhone case haul, but this time from BURGA cases. I also have a few BURGA accessories, which I'm so excited. I have a laptop case. Can't wait, like literally can't wait. And I have a 15% off code for you guys. So I'll be showing their elite cases and their tough cases. These are some serious iPhone cases, so I'm so excited to show you guys. So this is everything. I mean, there's like quite a few cases. There's an accessory. I already forgot what I got. This was like quite some time ago. I was moving, so I kept everything together through the move. And these are a few more iPhone cases. And here is the laptop case. Oh my God. And also this is so aesthetic. I love the black and the beige. I love a good beige. Their packaging is really beautiful. So I'm gonna save the big boy for last. Let's just pull up it right here. And let's get into all of these gorgeous, gorgeous cases. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Right now I have such a boring iPhone case on. It's super simple, so I'm so excited for something else. I need it. I desperately, desperately need it. This is part of their elite cases. Just the packaging feels so luxurious. This, I feel like I'm matching them, like black and white, like matching their vibe. Oh, it says, you look gorgeous today. Now let's make your phone look stunning too. Look at how luxury this looks, by the way. Like, this looks so fancy. There's felt in there to protect your phone. Oh my God, this feels like sturdy. And it's like a hard case. Oh. So the elite cases are supposed to be like beauty and fashion and protection. It uses CloudGuard technology that absorbs up to 90% impact force. It also has raised bezels around the screen and camera, which protects the delicate glass against flat drops. It also has microfiber lining, which keeps your phone cozy and prevents scratches from within. And it uses anti-fade printing technology, which keeps the design vibrant on the phone case. Just from first impressions, like I like how smooth it is, and I love the BURGA on the bottom. It is so cute. Like, this is just so like, it gives luxury, like it gives luxury for real. I love the design. So what I like about the phone case is that the buttons are protected, and they also have like a little ribbed texture on the buttons, so when you click them, it feels different than like the rest of the phone case. Let me show you. So yeah, I really like this design because it's very like chic. I love this print. I've actually worked with BURGA quite a few times, and I love their iPhone cases, and I've always resonated with this print. I feel like it's just like an effortless chic vibe, you know? Anyways, let's continue on to the next iPhone case. We're still going on with the elite phone cases. Whew. This one is so cute. It's very like trendy. Everything on their website is super, super trendy. This is this phone case. It's just very like, I feel like a TikTok influencer would rock this case, if that makes sense. Like, it feels very like fun, and I love their designs. Their designs are so fun and stylish. This blue one is actually gonna be a gift for someone, and they're very like tomboyish, so I know they're gonna love it. And like, if you look really close into the design, it's like blurred kind of. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but I love that even though this is like a faded navy blue, like the gold still works really well. I think it's because around the camera there's like the gold lining, which gives a very luxurious vibe. If you could see, I think that's so gorgeous. Those two are from the Elite collection. These two are from the Tough collection. So they have double layer protection and shock absorption. They have a scratch resistant glossy finish, and the cover goes all around the phone. It also does have that same raised bevel for screen and camera protection. And it's a slim profile and comfortable to hold. Let's get these. So these come in these cute little bags. Honestly, like I have so many BURGA bags. I use them for like when I travel and I like carry jewelry around. I use these for everything. Ooh, so these feel smoother. Oh, this cow print is so cute. I definitely have noticed that there's been more of like a resurgence with like cowboy hats and cowboy boots and like all that type of stuff in New York City. So this is so cool. And I actually like these a little bit more than the Elite cases for me personally, because I like how smooth it is. I like when my phone feels really like thin, and these If you like your phone feeling thinner, then these are the ones for you. You would prefer the tough cases versus the elite cases. Honestly, just like a black and white cow print. I know, cow print is back and I love it and I'm eating it up every single day. So freaking cute. And the next one, I love it. Everything is so black and white. It's so funny. This is so cute. I love this design. Oh my god. And also all the phone cases on their website are like called like old money and stuff, like such funny little phrases. That makes me giggle. This is so cute. I love the beige. I love the checkered print. It feels just, again, effortlessly chic. Just so effortlessly chic. For the tough cases, they aren't felt, but they're still like pretty smooth. But this is it. It feels so smooth. Oh my god, so cute. And the buttons are buttoning for sure. Truly, like, I love this color. And it's so like light and bright and happy. The camera is truly protected. It's like raised up here. Okay, so I also got 3 other accessories. I already literally forgot. I forgot everything. What is this? Here she is. Oh, a matching ring holder for that other case. That's cute. It comes with the little sticky that you can remove to stick it. Oh, this feels so like heavy, but in a good way. Like that just means luxurious, you know? Oh my god, I love this. Wait, hold up. You guys see the BURGA? This feels sturdy as hell. And oh, this is so freaking cute. This would just apply right here like this. Ugh. I do love a ring holder though, because I love like holding my phone like this sometimes, you know? And it looks like just extra bougie, I don't know. Everything here felt so luxurious. They're truly slaying. They also have other stuff on their website that's not like iPhone case related. So I think I got like a passport holder. It's so random, I know, but I really, really wanted it. Look at this, okay. They like give you an experience. Oh, so pretty. I know it's simple, but like this color is everything. I have like my little passport here. US citizen. So it opens up like this. And here it has your passport, and there's also a bunch of other like little pockets. That's super cute for like if you want to hold your cards and some cash. That's so smart. I've never had a passport holder, but this is like kind of giving me everything. I'm definitely becoming more of like a beige, black and white person the older I get, so I'm like, love this. Okay, this is honestly the thing I was the most excited about because I need a laptop case desperately, like desperately. I can't wait. You know what? BURGA has really made all of this such an experience. They've really like gotten so good lately because I worked with them a few years ago and like everything was still kind of new, but like they have so many options on their website. They have so many designs. They have so many things. Like a passport holder is so like random, but I love it. So here this is a hard shell MacBook case with a ventilation, all-around protection, slim profile, all ports accessible. We got the all good and true. So this is the bottom, and it has those little pads. Ooh, they're sticky. Oh, I've had so many MacBook cases in the past that have been so bad quality that like these always come off. This is like ingrained in the case. Guys, wait. Like, do you see these things? I've had so many like cheap MacBook cases and these things were always like stick-ons and they fell off, but this is like ingrained and it's like a textured plastic. It's like in the case. And this feels very matte. And this is the laptop case. I got this design because this is like one of my favorite designs from them. I just think it's so easy and chic. I'm kind of like now really wanting this design as a MacBook case. I'm kind of now like, Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, BURGA Case. The link to buy them is down below, and I also have a 15% off code. I love their bougie cases. I love the themes, love the colors, I love everything. So make sure to check them out. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.